Hello guys, this is Autofix Arena. As usual, we want to equip you guys with how the mechanics process goes on with our car maintenance and servicing. So today we have a client vehicle here on our service point to change our braking system, the lighting system. It has issue with the brake light and the reverse light. So as you can see, there's a 2-point bulb for the brake light, which is 12 volts and 5 watts. You don't go beyond to distract other road users and even cause damage to your lighting system. And this also the reverse light, it's a 1-point. Yeah, so as the process say, we will pass through all the process for you to know whatever transpired throughout the servicing. And you will need a 10 millimeters spanner, so this L spanner, to aid you, enhance you in a quick manner, like stress-free. This very flexible and easy to use. I really love this spanner. I know it's GS Optimus, very grippy. It holds the board very firm and gives no chance for it to slip. So maybe you can also go get it. So we take it back to the boot. That is where we will have to change the light. So you come to the boots, and as you can see, this Kia Morning equivalent to the Picanto. The parts basically are almost the same. These are two, just these two, the 10 millimeter wrench, spanner, and then the bulbs. So this is the lighting itself. So we are going to take off this lighting system, take off the light, then we change the bulb within it. So hold on. Brake. Indicator left. Reverse. Okay, indicator right. Brake. Reverse. So as you said, you take off the light. So there's it. Try to slug it. So I think this is it. So try to open it. Right. So as you can see, the bulb is gone. It's far gone. There. So replace with the 2 points. This is very fast and easy to do. Make sure you put it in the right place. Return it to lock it. That's all. So it's locked. Alright then. Go to the reverse. Though it seems not to be damaged. So wondering. Or is it corroded? Maybe the corrosion could be a part or the cause of it. So let's try changing and see. So the reverse, the indicator, it works, so no need to change that one. So you put it back. Fix it back and try to check it. It works. Brake. Good. Now you can see the brake. Reverse. I think there's issue with the reverse. Yes, sir. Reverse. Yeah, I think there's issue with the reverse. So, but the brake works now. So that's good. So we will later work on the reverse. So you do the same thing to the other points and make sure the reverse, because brake is very essential, especially riding or driving at night, just to pre-inform the other road users behind you, whatever is going on ahead. So it's very, very essential. Please don't joke with the braking system or the brake lights. Very, very important. So please work on it and it will work perfectly. Thank you for staying tuned with us. You can subscribe and keep watching AutoFix Arena. This is what we do. This is our favorite. It's our passion. So we do with a passionate kind of skill. Like we do with a passionate zeal, you know. So please follow and share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.